Now I am going to put this in the oven for 50 minutes at 340 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius, and make sure to preheat the oven. So friends, you can see the cake is ready, but still I'm going to check with the help of cake tester. I've inserted it and now I'm taking it out. You can also see there is nothing stick to it. That means it's baked properly. You can also try this test with the help of toothpick. Here you can see my cake is ready. This is really soft, so I'm going to enjoy this with a cup of coffee. You can also do the same. I hope you liked my video. For more upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.